Another week and another devlog, this time without an update on the experiment ranch. I will get into why in a moment. Let's get started. If you're new to my channel, I'm building a firework simulator game while having a wife, 2 kids, a full-time day job and a dog. The game is already on Steam, so go check it out. It's called Fireworks Mania and you can find a link in the description. So, here we are, Friday. I'm recording a devlog with this new setup where I edited while recording it, and let's actually start with some user feedback, I think, because I got some user feedback last time and I'm gonna take some of that into consideration. Let's switch to some more crazy, not crazy, but more sweet music. Lo-fi, and let's have a look. So, let's start with one of the feedback I got from Kenneth, Kendo Studios, making the mods for the game too. He wrote a little comment, and basically what he's saying is that he liked the older version of the devlogs because I was showing what I was actually talking about. And I obviously understand that. The problem is that editing takes a long time, so to save time, I'm doing it this way instead to be able to push out some information about the progress on the game while not spending too much time on it. So yes, Kenneth is right. This BRoll I have here, and I will update it over time because right now it's the same BRoll clips as I had in the previous video, but I will change it over time. But what Kenneth is saying is that it doesn't match what I'm talking about when I'm going through changes, and he's totally correct. But what I will change is that I'm thinking I will show some of the stuff in the actual video here while doing it, while talking about it, and I will try to do that in the future. I can't do it with everything because not everything is, it will be a too long video, and I would like to keep these devlogs to 5 minutes or something like that. Yeah, let's see how it goes. I will at least try to change it a bit and show a little more what I'm actually doing. So let's first talk about why there is no update this week, because as you can see, I have actually completed some stuff which I will go through in another video, I think, but this one is the one that is taking the time right now. Add some visual indicator that pickup objects can be ignited and when it's ignited. So looking at the game here, what I'm currently having is, as you remember from last time, from the previous version, if you put some stuff here, we can do something like this so I can show you the difference. So if you pick something up, it just shows as the previous version, except now it's in the left hand, and there's a reason for that. Again, pick up, and that's fine. But if I pick something up, I can actually ignite. Then I will get the torch in the right hand, and I can still throw it as I could before, but now I can also ignite it and then throw it, and yeah, then it will go bang. And even though it maybe looks like it's working fine here, there are some issues with it. For instance, I think if I take this one up and then I go to spawn something else, you can see now I suddenly have 2 tools and I can click both and stuff like that. So there's some weird stuff going on here, and that's what I'm working on. It was not as easy to do this as I was hoping, but yeah, that's how it is sometimes. So that's why this is not pushed right now. If I manage this video is recorded Friday, so if I manage to fix this during the weekend, I will just push out an update and post it on Steam and all that, but won't do a devlog. It's not like there is a one-to-one with the updates I'm pushing and the devlogs. Last week it just happened to fit, but let's see how it turns out. But at least this is what I'm working on, and this is what you can look forward to. And yeah, I still have some other things. I would also like some throwing force indicator, so you can see how much force you are actually throwing with. But yeah, that's it. So I'm working on this, and that takes a little while. Some other thing I could mention is, and it's actually not something with the game, it's just something I added here, so remember to say it, is that I recently got this feature on YouTube. I think it's rolled out to everybody now, but I got this new super thanks feature on YouTube, meaning that on all my videos now, there is this little thanks button, which you can use to donate. And really, it's enough for me if you just buy the game. I'm super happy just about that. But I actually have had some people write to me if they could donate or somehow Patreon or whatever to kind of support the game, because you can basically only buy it once. But now there's this option with this thanks button. Yeah, if you want to support, you can do it. And if you don't want to spend money, there is also a little red button here with subscribe you can click. That also helps. But yeah, I think that's basically it for today. I don't have that much more. I'll just get back to work and continue on the game. So see you in the next video. Bye.